Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, if you would like to learn English from this channel, you will need to watch from the video number 1, lest any important points should be missed. Okay, come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you a very important topic called analogy. What is analogy? Analogy is the comparison of one thing with another thing that has similar features. Analogies show the relationship between two pairs of words. For example, let me write on the whiteboard. Analogy. 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 Analogy is the comparison Analogy is the comparison of one thing with another thing that has similar features. Analogies show the relationship between two pairs of words. Dear students, I have already written the definition of analogy. What is analogy? Analogy is the comparison of one thing with another thing that has similar features. Analogies show the relationship between two pairs of words. For example, apple, fruit. Carrot, vegetable. Dear students, I have already shown a completed analogy: apple, fruit, carrot, vegetable. Apple, fruit, carrot, vegetable. Dear students, at first you have to determine the relationship between two things. The relationship between two things must be found out at first. Apple, fruit. What type of relationship we find here? Apple is one kind of fruit. Its analogy. Carrot is one kind of vegetable. Apple is one kind of what? Carrot is one kind of what? Apple is one kind of fruit that is given, and if I give a gap, carrot is what? Apple is fruit, carrot is what? Apple is fruit, carrot is what? Apple is one kind of fruit, carrot is one kind of vegetable. That is completed analogy. If I question you, Bangladesh country. Bangladesh country, Asia, what? Bangladesh country, Asia, what? What should be the completed analogy? Bangladesh country, Asia, what? What should be the completed analogy? Okay, at first you have to find out the relationship between two things. Bangladesh country. Bangladesh is a country. Bangladesh is one kind of country. Asia is one kind of what? Bangladesh is one kind of country. Asia is one kind of what? One kind of continent. That is analogy. Continent. Dear students, you have to find out the relationship between two things. Bangladesh is one kind of country. Asia is one kind of continent. Okay. For example, bees hive lions what? Bees hive lions what? Bees hive lions what? Find out the relationship between two things. Between these two things, you have to find out or you have to determine the relationship between two things. Bees hive. Bees live in hive. Bees live in hive. Lions live in what? The relationship between these two things is important. The relationship between these two things is important. Bees live in hive, lions live in den. Dear students, another example. Dog, puppy, cat. What? Dog, puppy, this pair is given. Cat what? What should be the completed analogy? Dog, puppy, what is the relationship between dog and puppy? We know puppy is a baby dog. Puppy is a baby dog. So, in case of cat, what should be? What should be the baby of cat? Kitten. Baby cat is kitten. Baby dog is puppy. Baby cat is kitten. Baby cat is kitten. Okay. Another analogy. Hand, finger, foot, hand, finger, foot what? At first find out the relationship between hand and finger. Find out the relationship between hand and finger. Okay. Finger is a part of hand. Finger is a part of hand. What? What is the part of foot? Finger is a part of hand. Finger is a part of hand. What is the part of foot? Toe. Toe. Toe is the part of foot. This is the completed analogy. Another example. class, class, student, forest, dear students, class, student, forest, what? Okay. Find out the relationship between class and student. Find out the relationship between class and student. Student should be in the class. Student should be in the class. What should be in the forest? What should be in the forest? Tree. Tree should be in the forest. That is the completed analogy. Dear students, the main technique is you have to find out the relationship between two things. Those two things which are given. Okay. Apple and fruit. The relationship between apple and fruit. The relationship between Bangladesh and country. The relationship between bees and hive. In the same way, dog and puppy, hand and finger, class and student. Then you will be able to understand or find out the completed analogy. Dear students, if you have any question regarding analogy, you can ask writing in the comment box. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. If you have any eagerness to learn about analogy in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Allah Hafiz.